up guys, so today I'm going to share with you how can you identify trends properly. How do you know whether you are trading a bullish trend, a ranging market, or a bearish trend, or just a very volatile random market. Now when it comes to a bullish trend, a market that's going upwards, unfortunately it doesn't go up like that. Okay, it goes up like this. It makes minor retracements and then go up, minor retracements and then go up. Many mean reversion traders would try to capture this. They make a sell over here. If you're a beginner, I don't recommend that. Okay, so how do you know whether you're trading in a bullish trend? The first thing is to see where the price is as compared to your moving average. Now for this one is my 100 SMA. You don't want to use moving average, that's too small to determine the trend. If the price is above the moving average, and this case is above, okay, then that's one indication that it's a bullish trend. Then the second thing is that it produces higher lows. Can you see that? Higher lows. And also the third thing is it produces higher highs. Okay, then this is an indication that this is a trend that is bullish. This is a valid bullish trend. So another way to determine if you are trading a bullish trend is to draw a trend line. So if the trend line is sloping upwards and the price comes down, test this level multiple times, more than 3 times to be safe, then it's a bullish trend. So if the price comes down here and tests this level the third time, you will anticipate that the price is going to bounce back up. Okay, and the other thing is that the price actually came down and then tests my 100 SMA. You see, there's 2 confirmations. This is a strong support from your trend line and also support from your 100 SMA. So this increases the probability that the price is going to go up. So how do you know when the bullish trend will end? There are 2 ways that you can determine that. The first one is when the price break below your long-term trend line. Okay, be aware of false breakouts, so that's why you need to draw your trend line properly. The other way to determine when the bullish trend will end is when it goes below your long-term moving average. And in this case, if you want more confirmation, you can sell when the price breaks below trend line rather than below moving average, because this can be a false breakout. You know what I'm saying? So I guess why a lot of traders, they sell here and the price retraces back up. Now the same thing for a bearish market. Bearish market doesn't go like this. It goes down and then make minor retracement. Some people trade this movement, the mean reversion. Alright, I don't really recommend that. I'd rather you take this movement than the smaller movements. You know what I'm saying? Bearish market would go like this. You know what I'm saying? Way too many traders get killed because they try to capture this. Like, if you're a beginner trader, please don't do this. Okay, only when you become more experienced, then you can trade mean reversion. You know what I'm saying? Don't trade against the trend if you are a beginner trader. Okay, and even if you do trade this movement, the amount of pips as compared to this amount of pips is not very significant. How do you identify a bearish trend? Again, if the price is below the long-term moving average, in this case again, this is my 100 SMA. Okay, when the price are below this 100 SMA, that's one indication of a bearish trend. Then the second thing is that it is producing lower lows. Lower lows are here. Lower lows. Alright. And also lower highs. Can you see that? One here, over here, and over here. Okay. So now if you can't see visually, one of the ways to do it is just go to your chart, go to trend lines, draw a trend line. Okay, so if you know to use trend lines, if you have watched my trend line tutorials, you know that, okay, if the price tests here, for the 4th or 3rd time, very likely the price is going to retrace. You know what I'm saying? It's going to go down. It's gonna test this level. Alright, if you draw it properly, it's gonna test this level and then going to bounce off. So this is how you determine if the trend is going on a bearish trend. Okay guys, hopefully this tutorial helped you to find out how you can determine the trend. Let me know in the comment section down below what strategy do you use to determine the trend. I'll talk to you in the next episode. Bye.